Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here at Motoplex Hyderabad service center to get the TFT screen replaced of my motorcycle. So there's an issue with my TFT screen. Whenever I use the high beam switch, this indicator on the dash does not work. So I will show you what is the problem that I'm facing. So let me switch on the bike. Right now the bike is on and you can see if I go to the high beam is working over there. You can see on the wall it is working. But over here, when I do like this, the indication, that is the blue color indication on the dash, is not working. Hence, this particular thing is getting replaced under warranty. It was long due, so it was not available at the dealership since a long time. So they gave me a call and it is available. Hence, I'm getting the TFT screen itself replaced. And we are also going to do the kilometer reading mapping on the new console also. So you can see the visor has been removed. And now we will remove this dash to replace it with the new one. My old dash reads 21055 kilometers. We are going to map the same readings on the new dash also. So, removing it is very simple. There is a clamp behind and once you pull it, it comes outside. And this is the new meter console that we are going to use it. So this is the new meter console, and in this you can see the high beam and low beam switch is working, and also the console reads 79 kilometers. We are gonna increase the meter readings using the OBD port. Please note, there is only option to increase the odometer reading. You don't have option to decrease the odometer reading through the software. So we have entered the odometer readings in the laptop. And you can see on the new dash it displays 21049. This is the exact meter readings which we wanted, and the software has done it successfully. Please note, there is only option to increase the odometer reading through this software. We cannot decrease the odometer reading. So the bike is connected to the pads and this module is connected wirelessly to the laptop. That's why we were able to do it. You might be thinking that I have a full system exhaust installed on this bike. It is out of warranty. How was I able to get the warranty claim for the TFT meter? So please note that this was reported months ago and that time the bike was stock. Hence it arrived right now. The warranty was claimed before the exhaust got installed. The approval was done before that. And hence I got the new TFT screen replaced under warranty for my bike, and also the kilometer readings is mapped. And yeah, it's time to close this video. If you like the content that I'm making, do hit the subscribe button, post your thoughts in the comment section below. With that, I will sign off from this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.